Hello guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of our weekly outlook. Alright, so I'm going to keep this outlook very simple and short. But before I start, I would like to announce I decided to create a Telegram group where I give further breakdowns of the trades as you can see here. So I decided to create this group so that this channel so that you guys can join for further breakdown. We had this analysis given in the group. USD card giving us 300 pips and other trades. Yeah, so if you like to join, you can join for further breakdowns. Okay, so let's continue. So this outlook, I'm just going to look at 5 pairs as I always do: Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold GBP JPY, and Euro JPY. Okay, so I'm starting with Euro USD on the daily time frame. Now, Euro USD on the daily time frame, I have these two supply zones on the daily time frame, and as we can see, the market is reacting towards the first zone. So the market is reacting towards the zone. Now, what am I expecting for the coming week? All right. So even though I'm expecting the market to be very bearish to this demand zones here, I think I'll be expecting the market to also come into supply zones right up here before the market comes, or the market continues here. But then you can get further breakdown of this when you go to the 15-minute time frame. So I'm just going to analyze on daily and 4-hour, but then I'll give the breakdown in the channel. That's the breakdown in the 15 minutes, 1 hour, whatever, in the channel, so that everything will be very fast. All right, but then let's go to 4-hour. So on 4-hour, what am I expecting, or what are we seeing? So on 4-hour, we can see markets respecting this supply level right here. Markets cleared out liquidity. So we had markets clearing out liquidity. So what am I expecting? Now, when the market opens, I'm basically expecting the market to continue its bearish movement. So I'm expecting something like this. Continuation of bearish movement. So I'm expecting something like this to this zone. If this doesn't hold, then I'm expecting the market to come up to respect the supply we have right here. All right, so this is what I'm expecting for Euro USD. Now let's go to our next pair, which is gold. So what am I expecting for gold? Let me just clean this out. So gold, what am I expecting? Now, as you can see, gold is in a very nice supply zone right here. So we have gold in a supply zone right here. So I'm expecting some bearishness on gold as well for the week. I'm expecting some bearishness for the week. So I have this demand zones right here. So I have the first demand, I have the second demand right here, and maybe down here. So I'm having these 3 demands here. I think gold is heading to. So yeah, this is what I'm expecting for gold on the daily time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, what am I expecting? I'm still expecting some bearishness for gold as well. So I'm expecting gold to continue being bearish, trading here. This very nice bearish order block right here. So I'm expecting gold to give us something like this, either going up, getting a trade right there on the lower time frame, then we move straight down to this demand zone, or any demand zone further down. All right, so this is what I am expecting for gold. Now let's go to the GBP USD. What am I expecting for GBP USD? All right, for GBP USD, this is what I have here. So I have this demand zone, this supply zone here, which has already been tested and broken. So I was having this supply zone right here. Let me just take this one, which has been broken. So what am I expecting? There's a very nice supply zone right here, where I think Euro USD can what? Head to. So we have a supply zone right here. We have a failed supply zone also here. So I have my failed supply zone right here. Good. So what am I expecting for GBP USD? So even though I'm going to be expecting some bearishness, maybe I'll be expecting this on GBP USD, something like this, before we get what? Our bearishness. But then depending on how the market will open, we'll know where the direction of this pair may go. Or maybe it can give us something like this. It will come down straight to this place before going up and then coming down. So anything of that is also what's possible. That's what's coming down to test this particular zone right here before what's going up and coming down. Okay, so that's what I have here. Now another reason why I'm expecting the zone to GBP USD to come fill the zone is because I have some liquidity here. I have some imbalance. So yeah, I have an imbalance right here, and I'm expecting it to be what? To be filled. So there's just what? Some inducement right here. Right above it is an imbalance, which is a perfect sell model. Yeah, a perfect sell model for GBP USD. All right, so what am I expecting for Gbpjpy? So with Gbpjpy, I'm expecting bearishness on this pair. I'm expecting bearishness on this pair. Now on daily, I have these two zones right here. I have this zone which has already been mitigated, and I have this zone right here. Good. Now I have these two supply zones. So we have the first one, and then we have this second supply which has already been what? Mitigated. All right, so let's go to the 4H and let me explain further. Now on the 4H, why am I expecting what? This second zone? Now this first zone here, I'm looking for some cells from this side. Sorry, I'm looking for some cells maybe for this pair to what? To just go up somewhere here and continue what? Selling. So I'm expecting something like this, continue selling. But then I'm going to consider my first supply as my main what? Supply. So this one is just a decisional what? Supply zone. But then this is where I have my supply. I'm going to have my supply, this supply right here. Why am I expecting this supply to hold? Because right below it, we have what? Liquidity lying right below it, which make it what? A very good place to what? Look for sells. So we have liquidity right below it, which makes it what? A very good place to look for what? Sells. And then if you've watched my supply and demand video, you get to know why I chose I'm choosing this place as a supply zone. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting for GBP JPY, something like this or like this. So this is what I am expecting for GBP JPY. So what am I expecting for our next pair, which is Euro-Gbpusd-Xauusd? Okay, so with Euro-Gbpusd, I've already marked out my zones right here. So I'm expecting these two zones as well. So I have these two supply zones right here, having liquidity right here. But then with the second zone, I'm having what? Some imbalance right here. As you can see, imbalance right here. And I'm expecting the market to either fill the imbalance, trade into this supply, and give us some sell. So this is what I'll be expecting for this pair as well. All right, so even though this analysis has been given out, sometimes it changes the direction of the market. What changes when the market what opens? Yeah, so this is just what something we are thinking the market what may do. Okay, this is just a projection of what we think the market what will do when the market opens. But then when the market opens, sometimes it opens with a new structure, with a different character. So when this happens, you just need to know how to enter your trades and know how to analyze. So you can still join the Telegram group, the Telegram channel, for further breakdowns of what these trades throughout the week. So thank you for watching this video. I would like you to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. All right, so I wish you a good trading week. Thank you.